Thank you for buying this tabletop condiment organizer from Fixture Displays. This unit measures 16 by 8 by 7.5 inches, weighs about 2 pounds. This is a great item to organize cups, lids, straw, napkins, and so on. You have 3 major chambers. One is larger than the other. And these are different angle views of this organizer. It's molded from polypropylene. It's very sturdy. If you have any questions, feel free to email us cs@charliesam@fixturedisplays.com. Within this 22263 product family, there are many different choices. So I'm certain you can find one that fits your particular needs. Browse fixturedisplays.com to locate the ideal organizer for your shop or restaurant. I hope you enjoyed this product and this video. If you like us, subscribe. Remember, leave a good seller feedback along with a product review. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.